Welcome to the 2024 Reset. As we stand on the threshold of a new year, it's the perfect time to recalibrate, set new intentions, and pave the way for a year of transformation. This video is your guide to reflect, realign, and recharge for the journey ahead. Section 1. Reflecting on the past. Gratitude practice. Begin by expressing gratitude for the experiences, lessons, and growth of the past year. List 3 things you're grateful for. Fostering a positive mindset. Lessons learned. Reflect on challenges and victories. Identify key lessons that will propel you forward. Section 2. Clarifying your vision. Vision casting. Close your eyes and visualize your ideal life in 2024. Envision success in personal, professional, and emotional aspects. Core values. Revisit and refine your core values. Ensure your goals align with these values for authentic and fulfilling achievements. Section 3. Setting intentions. Define your themes. Identify overarching themes for 2024. What do you want to focus on? Examples: growth, balance, connection, creativity. Key aspirations. Set intentions for each theme. What specific changes or accomplishments do you want in each area? Section 4. Goal setting for 2024. Reflect on achievements. List your proudest achievements from the past. Celebrate the progress you've made. New goals. Set SMART goals for the year ahead. Break them down into actionable steps. Section 5. Crafting an action plan. Breakdown of tasks. Develop a detailed plan for each goal. What specific actions will lead to success? Prioritization. Prioritize tasks based on their impact. Allocate time and energy efficiently. Section 6. Embracing adaptability. Acknowledge change. Understand that plans may evolve. Embrace change as a natural part of the journey. Course correction. Develop strategies for adapting to unexpected challenges. Be flexible and resilient. Section 7. Self-care and wellness. Mind-body connection. Prioritize self-care practices that nurture your mental and physical well-being. Examples: meditation, exercise, healthy nutrition. Balance. Strive for a balanced lifestyle. Allocate time for work, relaxation, and meaningful connections. Section 8. Building a support system. Accountability. Partners. Identify individuals who can hold you accountable. Share your goals for mutual support. Mentorship and guidance. Seek mentorship or guidance in areas where you aspire to grow. Learn from those who have walked similar paths. Section 9. Quantum visionary blueprint. Future self-immersion. Immerse yourself in the visualization of your future self. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, and see the vivid details of the person you're becoming. Quantum core values. Expansion. Elevate your core values to a quantum level, ensuring they resonate with the highest version of yourself. Align goals with these elevated values for profound fulfillment. Section 10. What's ahead? Dream a bit. Close your eyes and imagine your perfect day in 2024. Picture how you're feeling and what you're doing. What's important? Think about the things that really matter to you. Make sure your plans match those things. Congratulations. You've just completed the 2024 reset, laying the groundwork for an incredible year ahead. As you embark on this journey of transformation, remember that each step you take brings you closer to the life you envision. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and make 2024 a year of purposeful growth and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed creating it. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest releases. If you have any comments, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.